My name's Blaike Cheramie, and I attended CYA in fall of 2019. So I'm currently a student at Scripps College. I am a classical literature and languages major and a French minor, and I'm class of 2022. And I can't wait to share a little bit more about my time at CYA with you. My time in Athens was absolutely full of amazing opportunities and experiences. Literally, I was trying something new every single day, whether that was through my classes or events put on by CYA or just exploring the city by myself and with friends. It's incredible because you get pushed out of your comfort zone in all the right ways, and you are surrounded by such a good community of friends and professors and administrators that it feels safe to explore and be your best self and try new things. Speaking of trying new things, one of my favorite things that I did while I was in Greece was being a part of the art and archaeology class with Professor Hussein. It's an on-site class, which means that you will go and meet up with your professors and classmates at this site in Athens, and you will learn all about the history of it, the archaeology, the culture, and it really just gives a new dimension to everything that you're learning because you're not just reading it out of a textbook, like you're actually there. You take advantage of the fact that you're at this incredible site and you really get an idea of the history of the place. It's life-changing. And another of my favorite opportunities was actually set up by a CYA coordinator, because while you're in Greece, you get information all the time about upcoming events in the community and in the city, and it honestly covers a wide range of interests. So there's a lot out there, and CYA helps you find it. But this was a beach cleanup put on by Helmepa, and it was a global initiative, and so this was the Greece branch. And I got to go to a local beach outside of Athens and meet up with a bunch of environmentalists and conservation-minded folks and clean up this site with them. It was something I never would have done on my own, but it was so gratifying and incredible. Yeah, it was so cool. And last but not least, I got to be an ambassador for CYA, an on-site ambassador, which was so cool. It was my favorite thing that I got to do there. And that meant basically that I got to act as a touch point for all of my classmates and friends who were on campus with me. And I could just put out media with my friends and show everyone back at home what we were doing, what's going on, and all of the fun events that we got to be a part of, and just daily life in Athens. And it was incredible. Oh, also, I took the marble carving class, which was so cool. I highly recommend it. What I learned about myself from my time at CYA is that I am freaking strong. I'm brave, and it's not an easy thing to study abroad. It requires you to get pushed out of your comfort zone sometimes. It requires you to be brave and make memories and meet new people and take chances. And really, I had a totally different view of myself when I came home because I felt like someone who had accomplished something big. And I am proud of myself that I can look back at every opportunity I had and say, I made the most out of that. I made memories, and now I have experiences that I'll carry through with me forever. So, yeah. Study abroad and you'll find out just how brave you can be. What have I been doing since coming back from CYA? Well, I got back to America in late December 2019, which only gave me a couple months of wiggle room before the pandemic started, so that's fun. But I have been using my time in Greece and my time at CYA to sort of carry me through this pandemic, and I've been using the time to really connect to everything that I love about Greek culture. So I've been practicing Greek recipes with my family and reaching out to a lot of my Greek friends to sort of keep grounded in the news and culture, and it's been really fun. Also, for my classical literature and languages major at Scripps, I am starting work on my thesis, which will be looking at the landscape of Greek epic through a musical lens and sort of translating that and finding the stories and the deep, exciting moments that drive epic literature. So everything about that is obviously rooted to what I've experienced firsthand in Greece, and everything that I've learned at CYA has really carried me through. Well, I'm still really close to a lot of my friends that I met in Athens, and we stayed close the whole time that we were there and still talk all the time. And actually, this upcoming week we are going to be Zooming and making a Greek recipe together. And it's the bond that we share from having experienced all of these amazing stories together is something I'll never get with other people ever again. So it's something super special, and I can't wait for everyone who's watching this video to meet your own friends and make your own memories together, because it's a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity, and CYA is absolutely the right place to make you feel safe and give you all of these new chances to find yourself